Hey guys, I want to share something with you. This is iPhone XS Max, and as every iPhone from the new series now, they have a glass back to give you a wireless charging capabilities. So it's very important to know that when you go to repair this back, you will face some issues, and they are issues from overheating. If the repair place doesn't have a laser machine, they will use a hot air. If the guy is not experienced enough, most likely he will use the maximum temperature, and he might damage your microphone, the speaker, wireless charging coil, or most importantly he might damage your cameras as well. And he might try to avoid doing anything for free for you, so he will ask you to pay for the parts. If he overheat the microphone here, you might having the phone after that with restarting issues every 3 minutes. If they punch the battery here, because some people they use metal blades and they don't know where to push, and they can punch the battery, they actually might burn your phone. So keep in mind before going, just ask them what things they use, what tools they use. If they're using the laser machine, then that's fine. Laser machine might scratch your cameras if they don't have a camera protection here or anything. In general, if it's me and my back cover is broken like this, I'm not going to replace it. I'm going to keep using it. You know what I mean? Even this smashed back cover is better than somebody else touch my phone, overheats it, damage my MagSafe charger, or damage my flashlight, or do something to the LiDAR sensor or the cameras. You know what I mean? That even if this is my phone, I'm going to use it like that. I actually have quite another example with my old iPhone 12, which I still using even in this state. I'm still using this phone. So don't push and go to replace your back cover if you have like a one crack. Now this device is a different story. This device was fully smashed and there were like pieces falling out in the customer's pocket, so we decided to go and change it. Changing it's not a problem. Fitting the new one is a problem, because this surface here have to be a straight, completely flat. Now it's not done yet. I have to do some more extra work on it to finish it. So keep that on your mind. I'm just showing you, I'm trying to explain to you the consequences of going to somebody who doesn't know what is doing. Put 450 degrees on your device, kill it, you lose your data, your memory, everything. Everything can happen. I've been witness of guys punching the battery with this metal. Underneath right here is the battery. So as you can see, this one is scratched a bit, but that's because the glasses right here were actually falling down. There is, however, one small foil, which is like a foil. Let me show it to you. So you can see right here is where the foil is starting. So this is protective foil which protects the coil underneath. So this foil is intact, which means the coil is finally working. But on the newer iPhones, you have these MagSafe chargers around. So when somebody try to do the back cover, they might rip them off, they might take them together with the glass. You might end up not even having the MagSafe working after repair. So keep in mind, this is a very difficult job to do, very important task to perform, and you need to find the right place which are using either laser machine, or either they have a fully skilled man for this job. A guy with a lot of years of experience behind his back will be capable to do this job. Also, just to let you know, this is a frame. As you can see, they have like a small tiny plastic frame on top of the edge here where the back cover is laying. This frame should be saved. If you don't save this frame, then the back cover will not have the right place to stay, and also it's going to be a problem for you as well. So okay, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one, guys.